Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the code 29 error on your Rheem Tankless water heater, don't worry, we've got you covered. This issue, often related to ignition problems, can pop up in 2025 models and beyond, but it's usually straightforward to fix. I'm Alex, your go-to guy for home appliance troubleshooting, and today we'll walk through the steps to get your hot water flowing again. First things first, let's talk about what code 29 means. It typically signals an ignition failure, which could be caused by a dirty igniter, gas supply issues, or even a faulty sensor. Before we dive in, safety is key. Always turn off the power and gas supply to your unit to avoid any risks. Got that? Great, let's get started. Step 1. Check your gas supply. Ensure the gas valve is fully open and that there's no interruption in the line. If you're on propane, verify the tank has enough fuel. Next, inspect the igniter. Over time, it can get clogged with debris, so grab a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean it. Be careful not to damage the component. Moving on, reset the system. Turn the power off for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This simple reboot can clear temporary glitches. If the code persists, check for any other error codes on the display. They might point to a bigger problem like a blocked vent or electrical issue. If you've tried these steps and still see code 29, it might be time to replace the igniter or call in a professional technician. Remember, working with gas appliances isn't something to take lightly. There you have it, your quick guide to fixing code 29 on your Rheem Tankless water heater. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.